7 institutions, 7 audits. The same standard applied each time. The administrative state, campaign finance, the electoral system, the legislature, the presidency, the judiciary, economic dignity. In each case, the same diagnosis: a gap between what the architecture promises and what citizens actually receive. In each case, the fix traces back to the same place: the equal claim to self-direction. Layer 3 is complete. One right remains. The 2.0 Bill of Rights names a right the current architecture has no mechanism to protect. Not a policy preference, a system integrity condition. The right to a livable planet. The guiding star grants every person an equal claim to self-direction. But self-direction requires a planet capable of sustaining the civilization those rights were designed for. You cannot exercise speech, vote, assembly, or economic dignity on a planet whose conditions have been degraded beyond the threshold where any of that remains possible. The 1.0 architecture is present tense and individual scale. It protects rights that exist now, for people who exist now. It has no input validation for intergenerational harm. Decisions made today that degrade the conditions available to people not yet born do not trigger a system alert. The architecture registers no fault. Future generations cannot vote, cannot file a claim, cannot submit a bug report. The architecture has already limited their choices. They have not arrived yet to say so. The framework is complete. The guiding star, the 3 laws, the 7 boundary conditions, the 6 tools, 7 institutions audited, 2 rights named, and 7 problems that were identified when the guiding star was first defined, problems the clean cases could not resolve. Each one was named, each one was logged, each one was parked. The framework is now complete. Layer 4 addresses those gray zones.